What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Swipe, back with part 2 of the Camaro build right here. As you can see, if you missed the last video, make sure y'all go check it out. How this car looked before it got to this point now. But anyway, we got a big surprise going on. Y'all see this back here? That's our engine. That's our engine and transmission right there. Let's go look at this right quick, man. I got two set out here. I'm about to rip the engine out, man. You see me, man? 6.0, 6.0. Out of this wreck Denali, man. 6.0, man. So, I'm about to take this engine out, you know what I'm saying? Just want to show y'all a little before what I'm getting it out of, but yeah. Got the 6.0 LS going into the Camaro. The Camaro about to be booted, no cap. But anyway, I caught this for a steal, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take the engine out and, the engine, transmission, wire harness, everything, and I'm gonna junk it. But yeah, so y'all see the sneak peek of the engine that's about to be in the Camaro now. And we about to get straight to it. I'm about to tear this mug down. Cause I was waiting on somebody to originally come over here and tear it out, but I know how to do this shit, you know what I'm saying? But I be playing, you know, like I can really do this. Like, I just be lazy, but they get me in my mode where I'm really about to stop the lazy shit and stop paying my way for everything. I might just do it. So I'm gonna give y'all a little update when we get to the point. But I think today I'm gonna just start off by tearing the whole front end off. When the whole front end come off, I think in the morning, that's when the engine and everything will come out. But y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all stopping by.
Boy, so you gonna bring it around to you?
Well, he about to fix my damn truck.
The next day.
All right, so I got the motor unhooked. It's ready to pull out. So I got the engine mount undone. All the wires ready. It's ready to come out. So I'm waiting on my friend to bring the motor hoist back. The one that was helping me move the front support off. But as soon as he get here with this motor hoist, we pulling this out so I can get this raggedy junk out my yard. And then when we set it out, we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and buy an engine stand and set it on so we can tear it down and all that and get it prepped to get rebuilt so we can, you know, drop it in the Camaro. So yeah, but that's just a little update. So I turn the video back, or the vlog back on when we hook this damn engine hoist up to it to pull it out. So yeah.
The very next evening.
You do that, I'm gonna keep wiggling.
All right, so we got it out, and I'm jacking it up now.
All right, hold right there, Jay. You're gonna hit the frame.
You wanna go down?
No, we need to come forward. We need to slide up.
Okay. Yeah, it's loose though. About motherfucking time. Golly. About time. You want to use the truck?
Yeah, I'll tell you about that that plywood. You can slide it, roll it back.
Yeah. All right, so anyway, we got the engine out. It's jacked up. Like, it's wiggling. It's ready to come out. But I'm going to stop right here so I can tell everybody, or teach, you know, people who ever trying to pull their own LS motor out the junkyard or whatever, like, what they need to do. Usually some people take the fenders off each side. I mean, I didn't do it, but it'll make it way more easier. But you're going to have to take the hood off, take both sets of fenders off if you want to. It'll make it easier. But if not, you do it like I did. I just took the front support off, which is like the radiator, the intercool, you know, everything in the front. So when you get that, all that off right here, you can see the whole engine. You want to come over here you want to take your fuse box top off. Then the outside of the fuse box pops off, and you got these like 7mm bolts that's plugged up behind the fuse box. You want to undo them. The most important one is this middle one, this black one right here. So you take that one and throw it over there. And this is like the body harness and stuff. I might cut this out. I mean, it just depends. I might cut this out though. But this the main body harness. You ain't gonna need that. So after you get your fuse box and your wires, you know, situated, you wanna come down and go up under there and get your pedal if you got the drive-by wire set up, and undo these two 10mm bolts right here. And you want to make sure you get this sensor that goes into the plug, because when you're doing your swap, you gotta rig up the pedal to fit up under there. You want to get this tack thing. I'm not 100% sure if you need this or not, but I grabbed it just in case. It goes right here. You know, you can just unplug it and pull it out. Well, it go upside down like this. But you want to unplug it and take out the plugs just in case. I don't know if you're gonna need that 100%, but you know, better safe than sorry. Then you want to come around. I cut the exhaust system because I'm gonna sell the Cadillac converters, but the junkyard usually don't have that, so you won't have that problem with having to pull this engine out, because they already cut the Cadillac converters. But if not, it's a bolt right here on the manifold. It's like two of them. You undo them on each side and the exhaust should drop. But you want to do that on both sides. Is 2 bolts on each side, or is it 3? But it's 2 or 3 bolts you want to do it. You need a long extension. Then you're gonna have a wire harness that runs down the body of the frame right here. Going down here, you want to go down there, unplug it. You want to make sure you unplug all your AC lines. You know, undo little stuff like that. Go to your compressor, your power steering, stuff like that. Then you want to get down here. You want to jack it up, get down here, and drop your transmission mount. When you drop the transmission mount and the drive shaft is ready to pull out. But when you pulling it out, you gotta make sure you don't run into the same problem that I just ran into with the jack being uneven and all that. And that's another thing. I'm on like dirt, so the motor hoist wants to sink. You know what I'm saying? But if you got like plywood now or even ground, you'd be good. When you jack it up, it just comes straight out. So yeah, so now with my situation, with it being, you know, going to the ground and uneven, I'm waiting on my tow truck to get back. And I'm using my tow truck winch to just pull all of it out onto the bed of my tow truck. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get there. And I'm out of here. So I'll be back maybe a couple hours from now, and we're gonna be pulling this motor out. But LS swap coming soon, so I'm ready. So I'll catch y'all back on when I get to the part of pulling the engine out.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So we're gonna skip like to the next day at night. So we finally got it out. Thank God for having this damn tow truck, boy, because ain't no way it wouldn't have came out no other way. I mean, it would have, but if you taking out a 4-wheel drive setup, which I didn't realize it was a 4-wheel drive setup, you gotta take off this transfer case right here. If you don't take that bit off, man, you gonna be fighting with that bitch like badly. So if you dropping a 4-wheel drive setup, please take that transfer case off. Like, oh my God, we've been fighting with this whole thing for like a day straight. Like the engine and everything been unhooked. And then when we was pulling it out, we realized it was like 2 more transmission bolts hooked up. Like, but finally got it out. About time, dude. Yeah, this truck thrashed, bro. Like, but I got everything up. So this thing is donezo. Getting it out of here. But I got a pallet for it and all that. I'm gonna sit over there by my Camaro. But it's finally out. We're gonna come back outside tomorrow, and we're gonna do an unboxing video tomorrow. So I'll cut y'all back on in the morning. So yeah, but yeah, it's out. Whole thing. The whole thing.
The very next evening.
Alright, so now we got the engine moved over here by the Camaro. We're gonna be taking the engine transmission out of that. And we're gonna tear this down right here, take this to the machine shop to get dropped in there. So, but we got it back here. I'm about to just cover it up right quick. So on the next video, I'm gonna do a unboxing so y'all can see everything that I ordered. So yeah, but we're gonna end it right here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for stopping by. And 6.0 Camaro coming soon, man. See y'all later. Bye. Oh, before I cut the vlog off, man, check out the truck, man. Nice and clean. Like, I'm talking about that A1. Them on the streets because I put them in, but that bit clean, man. Cleaner than a motherfucker, man. Swear. But I'm gonna end the vlog off right here for real now.